Yo, what's going on, guys? PK Paul Knox, SCE Event Group. Today is June 14th, 2014. We are at the Spring Lake Bath and Tennis Club celebrating with Samantha and Mike on their wedding celebration. Now, today it's a gorgeous day out. It's a Saturday afternoon. They just came off a cocktail. Mr. Robert Jani, that's right, Papa Jani, just pronounced them husband and wife. Right now they're in cocktail hour, which we're supplying the soundtrack to, enjoying the best food in town right here at the Spring Lake Bath and Tennis Club. Right after that, we're going to line them up, grand introduction time. We're going to bring them out to an awesome song. They're coming out to Animals. That's exactly right, they are Animals. They're going to bring them in. Bride and groom's going to come on in right to their first dance. As you can see, we have blue uplighting throughout the entire building in here. We have our sound, we're doing cocktail, and we're going to have a lot of fun tonight. So guys, if you're not already a fan, make sure you go and check us out, SCE Event Group. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, we're all over the place. Check out some other vlogs from Paul Knox, myself, known as PK. So again, don't take my word for it, check out the footage, let's have some fun tonight.
I've been running in the dark to a field full of colors. I've been striking for the spark in the heart of some others. But I was lost before in an ocean of fire. But I'm not anymore. 'Cause in your arms I am home. Leading high, not alone. In your arms. In your arms.
Hey, June 14th, Sam and Mike wedding at Spring Lake Bath and Tennis Club. Just want to say thank you to SCE and Paul. You guys did a great job. You guys blew the doors off. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
DJs are amazing. Paul is amazing, everybody. SCE rocks.
That's it.
SCE Event Group.